Chapter number 8 of Akhila Nayar's Ladies Coupe. The title of this is A Float. Let us know more about this chapter. This chapter tells the story of Prabha Devi, who is now 40 years old. And then Prabha Devi shares about her life, like when like she tells how when she was a child her father wanted to have a boy child, but then when she was born he sighed. Why? Because he had some jewelry shops and he wanted to extend it to the the fifth jewelry store, but then because he has got four sons, so one each shop in one for one each son. But then she was very sad. Mother was very pleased to have a daughter, and mother said, like, when you get her married, you can look for an alliance who can take care of your business. Okay, father always used to think that girl child was a nuisance. So when she was 15 years old, she was sent to convent school so that she will be well trained by the sisters. In hostel also it was very strict. Then when she was at home, she wanted to go for matinee, and her father surprisingly allowed her. She was good with cooking. She took very care of her skin and her face. At the age of 18, she got an alliance of Jagadish, son of a diamond merchant. Jagadish was 23 at that time. Mother was very sad when she was living. They were very close. So after marriage, when Jagadish's parents went for a funeral, they enjoyed very much getting into the pool and all that thing. So Jagadish's mother always used to advise Jagadish about wives, that wives can really ruin husbands, but it is up to a husband to decide what to be done. So when Jagadish had gone for a business trip to New York, she also went along with him, and that trip made a lot of change in her life. She met Sharmila, her school friend, who was a bright woman, student then, but now she's married and then she's with a baby and she's really struggling. When she saw all that, she started having a kind of feeling like about this having baby and all those things. When she went to New York, she was very much taken up by the way the woman over there walked, and she started dressing up like that. She started dressing up in a modern way. Before, she was dressing up like a typical Indian woman with the pallu over her head and all, but now she started wearing different kind of dresses, western dresses and all. Then she used to go to club, and then there she met Pramod. Like, Pramod was not giving much interest on her before, but then she started like a kind of flirting she did. And then Pramod came to her house one day. They became friends, and then one day he came to her house. Her house means her husband's house. Husband and parents are not there, only the like the servants are there. Then he took hold of her, touch her waist and all those things. He had come with his niece, so he took hold of her, touched her knees and touched her waist and all. And then she really got upset, like she really got scared actually. Then she asked him to go out. After that moment, he like after the trip from New York, she had told Jagadish that they should not have kids, they should not have babies soon, and she asked even him to use condom. And now, after this Pramod's incident, after the Pramod coming home and holding her all and all, she started realizing that she's in the wrong way, and she started being back. She changed back to her old self, and then she allowed Jagadish for having babies, and then they have two children. First one is a girl, Nitya, and second one is a boy, Vikram. At, at present, Nitya is 18 years old and Vikram is 15 years old. She avoided clubs and all. Her children are big, but then she really have that desire to learn swimming. So husband used to give her a lot of money, but then she needs to give bill. Okay. And then the way how her husband treats her, she wanted to advise her daughter that in the beginning, if you think that if you remain like you don't know anything, your husband will be doing everything for you, and then finally you will be under his control. So instead, she wanted to ask her daughter uh, to be very much independent. Then her son used to go for playing at that time. Like, she used to go for some matches, some playing and all, and she wanted to learn swimming. and then she brought swimsuits and all, and she told her husband that she is going for baking class. And then she went to the coach, but then he used to train only children those who are below 50 or 14 years old. So she started learning by herself. She put on the swimming suit, and then first time she don't know the rules and all. Then she learns. Then she hold on to the steel bar and she started kicking and all. She tried to leave, but then she started drowning. She felt she is drowning and all. She was afraid. Then after like many days she continued this, and one day the coach told her she don't need that thing, the tube around her, like, because she's already doing it. She just have to be confident. And slowly she managed like that. And with the swimming sessions that she's doing by herself, desire started coming with her. And after many such a gap, she and Jagadish had that very good sexual relationship, and then everything was good in their life. And then one day, like, the coach asked her how tall she is, and then the coach said that she's not tall. She's tall enough that she won't drown. She can, no need for her to be afraid. Then like, finally the chapter ends that she finally learned to be a float. She finally learned to float rather than drowning. And then that is the title of this chapter, a float. Okay, thank you.